Okay, so the problem my student had was 25 times 5 equals 205. So when I first look at this problem, my mind instantly goes to how I would multiply this and how I was taught to multiply. And so when I multiply the 5's, I bring down the 5 and then I bring over the 2 to get 25. And then 5 times 2 equals 10. And then what I think the student did was, instead of adding the 2 like we would normally do, they multiplied the 2 to 10, which we get them the answer of 20, which then led to the answer of 205. I think that this student either had a misunderstanding of when the teacher taught this procedure to them, and they must have thought that you multiplied every part of the problem rather than putting in the addition into the multiplication problem. So I think it was either that, or they just slipped up, had a little mistake, forgot that you add instead of multiply. And I think that this could be solved by helping the student visually break down what this problem exactly is. So I set up some base 10 blocks down here to help visually, to help the student understand a little bit better. So I came up with a problem that says, if there are 5 sections of 25 seats in a movie theater, how many total seats are in the theater? So I did 5 groups of 25 seats in each group. So when you add, let me get my pen, 25 plus 25, what I would do personally is bring that up into 50, because I think 50 is a lot easier to add than 25's. So 25 plus 25 over here equals another 50. And then this last little 25 that's hanging out by himself can easily be added to the two 50's, which is 100. And then you add that last 25, which gives you the answer of 125 seats. So another way that the student could figure out this problem is by just adding the 25's, 25, 25, 25, 25. They could physically count each block in the image, or they could try the procedure again, how they were taught, and then add the 2 instead of multiply the 2. But it's really important that they're able to understand and break down exactly how the answer is 125 versus 205, because that's a very large difference in number. So that is all I have.